Hello, weather fans. This is Weather with Whittaker for the week of July 12th, 2020. Now, the low pressure system that I talked about last week for Friday actually turned into Tropical Storm Faye, so quite interesting how quickly that escalated. The tropical storm formed off the coast of the Carolinas on Thursday and then moved up along the eastern seaboard, bringing rain, much needed rain, to parts of New York for Friday and into Saturday. Some severe weather did pop up yesterday with some interesting formations. Now, that low pressure system that was Tropical Storm Faye actually pushed inward over land. Once tropical storms hit land, it loses its source of energy, which is warm, open water. And so once it hits land, it does fall apart, but it has some moisture content with it, so it continued to bring some rainfall and some thunderstorms to the area. Now, we're still in a little bit of a deficit for rainfall, but any rainfall is much welcomed at this point. Now, Tropical Storm Faye has moved off far to the north, and what you'll notice on the forecast map is that there is a cold front draped across New York now. I think that will scoot a little bit off to the east, but hold in place for a couple of days, so that's what's bringing the cloud cover for your Sunday. I think it'll bring a wave of low pressure along it for your Monday. And at this point, the forecast is actually trending for the rain to be in the morning on Monday morning, but can't rule up a pop-up thunderstorm in the afternoon. I'm saying about a 20 to 30% chance of a thunderstorm for your Monday, with showers being more likely in the morning for Monday. Tuesday, isolated shower or storm possible. I think we'll see a little bit of a break. And so I think that brings us to our 5-day forecast. And this week, my 5-day forecast is going out to my contractor, Nick, who'll be working on my deck this week. So here you go. So again, for your Monday, look for temperatures to be in the low to mid 80s with some showers in the morning, maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. Tuesday, highs continue to be in the low to mid 80s. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. I think the driest day for the week will be on Wednesday. And then for Thursday, the winds are going to start to shift from west to northwest to more of a southerly direction, and that's going to bring in some higher temperatures and some higher humidity and maybe some showers ahead of that system. Now, Friday looks like it's going to be a wet day, but temperatures are going to be creeping up into the upper 80s. And then long-range forecasts are showing a little bit of a heat wave next weekend into the following week. We could be looking at temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s. If we get 3 days in a row of 90 degrees Fahrenheit or above, that's considered a heat wave, and I think that is possible for next weekend and into next week. So that's your forecast. Thank you so much for tuning in to Weather with Whittaker for this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week.